Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It is Monday, June 5th. Gonna do my nightly video on gold. So I'm looking at this US dollar Japanese yen chart, and the reason I'm looking at it is because we have this inside candle. Inside candles when the high and low of the candles within the previous candles high and low. And we got a bear close on it last week by closing below the low here of 110.85. A break below the low of the mother candle, which is currently at 110.23, will confirm this bear break of the weekly inside candle here. And you can see that we did start the week pretty strong to open today, but you can see that we have a long upper wick of profit taking and showing some weakness here. So based on this inside candle on US dollar Japanese yen being a bear break, I am expecting further downside. And the supports here we have are the low of today of 110.30. Once we break that again, confirmation when we break the low of 110.23. And of course, the gold chart on the weekly, we are at this weekly downtrend line. It was all the way back to 2012. And so we are right there, and so it's going to be a pretty important week depending on how we close. It would be very strong for the bulls if we're able to close above this downtrend line on the weekly, and of course setting a higher high above this recent high of 1297.40. That will definitely give some confidence to the bulls and liking a move past 1300 if that happens on this weekly time frame. As far as the daily goes. As far as the daily goes on gold, same thing. There's that. It's just right at that downtrend line. The senior miners daily showing a little more weakness than gold is. Again, we are just in this range. We are still above this 20 MA. So that's really the crucial moving average that I'm watching now. We've back tested so many times and held it, and it is ascending here. And the last time gold miners had this consolidation range here. As soon as that 20 MA started moving up, we had some nice upside. So I'm going to look for some more upside here on the senior miners. What we'd like to see is, of course, a confirmation. So we're setting this high. We set a lower high here, another lower high here, another lower high here. So we want to break above this recent high of 2301, and then next resistance 2305. We'll give bulls a lot more confidence when we break above 2339. We have this double top here at 2339, so that's the level I'm going to watch for, is 2339 on the senior miners. As far as the junior miners go, basically the same thing. We are now, move all these lines real quick. We are now having a close to a TCG bull cross. Again, TCG bull cross when the 4 EMA green line crosses above the 8 EMA, the red line here. We have regained that 20 MA on the daily, and that 20 MA looks like it's ascending. So we'll see if the junior miners will be able to ride this 20 MA up. And in the weekly chart on all the miners, bear or bull, we have this weekly inside candle here last week. And for GDXJ, that high was 3202. Again, inside candle high and low within previous candles high and low, so 3202, and we closed. We're above that right now. So far on the close today, but we have all week obviously to see how this will close. If we're able to close above that 3202 on the junior miners and then break above the mother candle here at 33.3, that will be a strong indication for the bulls to come and show up. And looking for potentially a back test of the 20 MA on the weekly, which is that at 35.46. Same thing for GDX. We have a weekly inside candle. And so we're going to watch it and see if we can back test this 20 MA again, which is currently for the senior miners 23.19, and break above that. Nice play today. I alerted the chat room, was this 5-minute oversold bounce play. So you can see clearly the RSI was very oversold here. Took it I notified everyone in the commodities room right at 12 o'clock, said that the stop loss would be the low of day at 12:41. If we broke up below that, had a really nice bounce here. I took profit into the close just because it was just an oversold 5-minute RSI play, and I'm waiting for some more confirmation to play the miners longer for a swing. Once they get above those moving averages that I shared in the price resistance that I've shared with you just shortly ago. So nice bounce play played out. On the hourly chart, also had confirmation here. We had a inside candle high and low, previous range high and low. Once we break bullish, look nice. Looks like potentially a bull flag forming in after hours here on JNUG. So we'll see if we follow through with that at the open tomorrow and see if we have a gap up open or just continuation after consolidation overnight. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.